Where's the thing? Where's the thing?
What?
That might cause some lag. Just hurry up.
Okay. Hey guys, and today I'm gonna be doing a gameplay of BTDB. So yeah, I'm gonna be battling Omega Fire. So yeah, he made a roll of Boosty Bonanza Fire. Fucking ninjas.
Better not use it.
Okay.
Don't forget this is Mega Boost, okay? So
Good adjustment.
you can use Mega Boost to upgrade to your tier 4.
Monkey stem. Could I just use addition?
Oh hell.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna offensive push you.
You know you're sending it to yourself, right?
Yeah. What does offensive push do anyway?
Huh?
What does offensive push do anyway?
To read the description. NG Mega. Come on, overclock. That was fast. Don't forget to touch the afro, okay? If you're going for Sun God, which
What?
is very good.
What?
Don't make it touch the, you know the hair of the thing?
Yeah.
If you're going to place another, make sure the range here of your neck, make it touch the hair of your temple.
What's wrong?
I dare you to send the camo lead. Just do it.
They're actually rainbow.
I guess it's no spikes. Use the ropes. The road spikes. Dude, use another tower or something. And get more eco, by the way. Kaso, even Eco I got now.
Put ninjas all over the map.
Hey, dude!
Rematch.
You cannot anymore because there's no custom club.
Classic. Okay, sorry guys, but this is just my first video on BTTV. So make sure to like, subscribe, and also thanks for watching. Bye.